Hello, boys and girls. We are going to make another map today. We are continuing to learn about the physical geography of Virginia. Today we're going to make a map of the 5 unique regions of Virginia. So Virginia is split into 5 different sections, and each of these regions has its own unique characteristics about it that we will learn about next week a little bit more in depth. Right, so let's get started. Once again, I'm going to draw my Virginia and I'm going to leave a space down here so that I can make my sentence to help me remember the 5 regions. So here's my little Virginia triangle. And I'm going to put my Eastern Shore Peninsula over here. All right, you're going to be really good at drawing Virginia triangles. So the first region, I'm just going to draw a little line right here. And this region is the region called the Coastal Plain. And another name for this is the Tidewater. And if you notice, the Coastal Plain is right on the east coast where the Chesapeake Bay and the Atlantic Ocean are. So we call that the Coastal Plain. All right. Right next to the Coastal Plain is a region we call the Piedmont. That's really hard to read. I think it's P-I-E-D-M-O-N-T, if you can't read that writing. All right. And then the next region we have is this little sliver of mountains here. And these are called the Blue Ridge. And I'm just going to put MTNS for mountains. The Blue Ridge Mountains. Blue Ridge Mountains. Okay. And then right next to the Blue Ridge Mountains, and we're going to make sure that this line is just a little sliver off to the side because this region over here is really small, but this is called the Valley and Ridge. The Valley and Ridge region. Okay, and looking for another color. What did I use? I use red. And this region right here, I'm just going to draw a line to it. This is called the Appalachian Plateau. And that is a really big word to spell, so I wrote it a little bit big so that you guys could see how to spell that. The Appalachian Plateau. There's not a lot to that region. I think just a little bit of coal. Okay. So now we're going to do the same thing we did yesterday, where we're going to take the first letter of each region and we're going to make a sentence to help you remember the regions from left to right. So our first word in our sentence is going to be A. Just A for Appalachian Plateau. And then we have V. So a very, that's my next word. And the next region starts with a B, so we're going to put big, a very big, and then the next region starts with P, and the word is package, and then the last region starts with C, so we're going to write a very big package came. A very big package came. All right, and that is how you are going to remember the regions of Virginia.